going to cover getting your certification to become a certified facility manager. There's different avenues to become a facilities manager. You don't necessarily have to have a certification to become a facilities manager. Certainly helps, looks good on your resume, on your LinkedIn profile, your career portfolio, etc. Well-known job platform, Indeed, for employers and employees to find work and information regarding your job you're pursuing. They have these career guides. This career development guide here is how to get a facilities manager certification. So benefits of getting a facilities manager certification. While again, it's not always necessary to have a certification to become a facilities manager, it's definitely advantageous, looks good on your resume, in your career portfolio, on your LinkedIn profile, etc. Definitely gives you a leg up. But again, it's not absolutely necessary. And you have different options about and different credentials you can acquire to become a facilities manager. So you can get an actual college degree, like a bachelor's degree in business administration, accounting, information systems management, operations management, or training modules. There's online courses you can take. The IFMA is a well-known one. It costs money to take their proctored exam, and you have to renew it every 3 years. That's an option. There's other websites out there like Allison.com, where they have modules you can take and earn a certification that don't cost money. And there's different certification types. So the Certified Facility Manager credential is one of the most well-known in the industry. But again, you can see where if you take it through the IFMA, the International Facilities Manager Association, it costs money to do that, to take that proctored exam. There's also the Sustainability Facility Professional Certificate Program. Again, this is also through the IFMA. Other facilities manager certifications you can earn include these. Now we'll take a look at the IFMA website. So today I just want to do a quick video about earning credentials in facility management, facilities maintenance. You want to move up from a facilities maintenance technician to facility manager. There's different ways of going about that. If you start out as a facilities maintenance technician and work your way up into a management position as one becomes available, you work hard to do a good job, you acquire more skills, you prove to your employer that you have the skill set required to do the job. There's also companies out there where you can get certifications in facilities management. The IFMA is one of the big ones. They offer courses and a test. It does cost money. You have to pay for it. And basically, we can scroll through their website here, kind of see what they have, what it's all about. So their exam covers all the 11 competencies for facilities manager, from leadership to real estate, sustainability, performance, operations and maintenance, finance, communication, risk management, human factors, project management, technology. So this is an internationally recognized credential. So again, then this is ifma.org. So you determine your eligibility by work experience, education. You prepare for the exam. There's a practice exam. And then you apply and take the exam. And they'll assign you a virtual proctor. And again, you have to pay for this. If you're a member of the IFMA, it costs $290 US. If you're a non-member, $365 US to take that test. It's valid for 3 years. Then you got to renew again. So again, you don't have to get your certification through IFMA to become a facilities manager. I've known facilities managers who have not gone through IFMA, but this is one well-recognized organization. Again, this is ifma.org. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover.